Hello everybody, how you doing? Angel Diaz here from Audi VW in Fall River, and check what is behind me. Yes, as you can see, is a Nardo Gray 2023 Audi RS7, and we are gonna go through this bad boy. Let's do it right now. All right, everybody, and here you go with the 2023 Audi RS7 Nardo Gray, black leather interior with red stitching. Love it. As you can see, check out how beautiful this vehicle is. Check out that grille. You have a lot of gloss black going on in the front. You got your RS badging, so RS7 over here. Obviously, you had to black out the rings. You gotta love it. Right under the rings is hidden, but you have your front-facing camera over there, two front sensors. Check out how beautiful this car is. As you can see, check out all these body lines, matrix design lighting on it. And I decided to put on the hazard light just so you can see how cool looking and original Audi like they are. So you got LED headlights, LED daytime running lights on this vehicle. And if you move a little over here towards the side, I just want to show you these massive wheels. As you can see, you have 5-spoke, 22-inch Audi design wheel with a titanium finish over here. Love it. You gotta have these summer tires on it. And look at this, these ceramic calipers over here. Now this vehicle, anyone who looks at this vehicle is definitely a head turner, you gotta say. But check out this wheel. Oh my goodness, love it. Let's move over here to the side. I do want to show you, you do get these black covered mirrors on it. You get a lot of gloss black on it. Love it. As you can see, the turn signals over here as well. So one of the things I do love about these vehicles, every single door you get keyless entry. You have this little pad over here. Put your finger on it, it will lock. Put your hand in your handle and it will open. And one thing that I do love as well, check this out. You have frameless windows over here. I love that completely. You get gloss black along the side of the outside of the perimeter of the window as well. Some more gloss black over here. And what I like about this, with all this gloss black, it actually brings out your moonroofs. It makes it stick out a little bit more and look gorgeous as well. And check this out, the rear of this vehicle looks amazing. Check that out. You have this massive light going across the trunk, as you can see, going across the rear hatch. You got LED tail lights as well. RS7 badging, love it. All this gloss black over here. Check out the massive exhaust on these vehicles, and I can't wait to turn it on for you so you can hear what that sounds like. Now let's open this up, and as you remember, Audi, for me, they make the best sportback. Check this out. You do got some mats over here, black mats, red stitching. You wouldn't have it any other way. You do get your all-weather cargo liner, so if you ever drop anything here, just hose it down, you're good to go. You get a little bit of space right over here where this netting is at, and you get another 12-volt right back here for your use, and you get some ambient lighting over here as well. I like that. You can drop the seats down if you need to. And what I want to do show you over here is you do have two buttons. One closes the rear hatch, the other one closes it and actually locks it. But for now, we're gonna just close that. Alrighty. Oh, did not hit the button. That's better. Let's go for it. And check that out. Look at that beauty coming right down. Oh man, I can't get over these 22-inch wheels. And now, folks, let's go inside so I can show you the rear of this vehicle. Check that out. Now that is beautiful. You do get this black leather interior, which is probably one of my favorite colors when it comes to leather, with the red stitching on it as well. Let me go back here so you can just see. Oh, comfort at its finest. Love it. One thing I do want to show you guys, check out your stereo system right over here. You do get the Bang & Olufsen sound system in here with your 3D sound in it. So they literally made the stereo specifically for this vehicle. When it comes to material, everything. Check that out. Armrest, love it. Got some cup holders over here, which you can close if you like. You got a little bit more storage over here. Love it. I am amazed by the design on this vehicle. You can control your temperature back here. You do have quad zone temperature in this vehicle, heated seats in the back as well, couple USB-C ports, as much ports as you can get in a vehicle you gotta have, okay? And another 12 volt in the back as well. Now I want to take you to the front of this vehicle so we can see what goodies I have for you. All right, everybody, and here we are behind the wheel of this beautiful RS7, and just want to show you a couple things. We're gonna go by this pretty fast, so let's go. Just keep up, and let's start over here with the door panel. You can see you have your regular power windows over here. You can actually do the child lock right from over here. Great feature to have. You do have power heated adjustable mirrors. Love that, love that, love that. You have two memory seatings which you can set as well. Love that. Right over here behind the steering wheel, turn it like this so you can see you have access to your lights, which you can put on auto and not have to worry about it anymore. And let's talk about this beautiful steering wheel. As you can see, you do have the red stitching in the inside of the steering wheel, a little suede going on. It feels actually pretty good. You do get the paddle shifters because it's only right. RS7, no paddle shifters. That would be weird. So check this out over here. You do have, as you can see, a digital display over here, which you can move to the side and switch options. Let me see. You got the navigation there. If you go to the side, it will show you different stuff like radio, and the view button over here changes the screen as well. Love that. You can set it exactly how you like it. You have another button over here, which hit that button and check it out. You got your G meter going on. This thing is ready to rock and roll. You put in RS mode. You need an RS vehicle to have that, okay? Guys, you got 1, 2. Oh man, this thing is ready to rock and roll. Alrighty, and I just wanna, let's move over here towards the center of the vehicle just so we can see this beautiful display over here. As you can see, Audi does a great job, nice and smooth with all their touchscreen monitors, and something you get with RS monitor as well. As you can see, you click on it, it shows you your temperatures for oil, fluids. You got your G meter again, and tire pressure monitoring, which says there it can only be measured with speeds above 16 miles per hour. If you come down over here, you can get another 8-inch display. As you see, mainly is used for your climate control. It's pretty easy. You do get heated and coolant seats, so you get ventilated seats on driver and passenger side, as you can see, and you can go through the motions and put everything exactly how you feel comfortable. Down here, this is where you have that drive select, where you can go through the option comfort, where everybody loves dynamic. Love it. And let me show you a couple of different things. Actually, now that I'm here, don't go too far down. Let's show you this beautiful backup camera. Check that out. As you can see, you got two different displays. You got an aerial view over here. Right over here shows you the rear, and if you are going forward, bam, it'll show you the front facing camera as well, just to make sure there's nothing in front that you're gonna hit and you can just see clear passage. Love that. Let me put that back in park. Electronic parking brake as well. You gotta have cup holders with your 12 volt over here. Check out this beautiful key. RS, you gotta let them know what you're driving. You pull out that key, you know, they know it's real. All right, guys, you do get this beautiful armrest over here, red stitching as well on the side. You got some, oh, you actually have right in there a USB-C and a nice little charging pad for your iPhone as well, or just smartphone as long as you have it. I do want to go over these seats over here as well. As you can see, beautiful seat. This right here actually extends out if you wanted to take, if you need to extend it out a little bit more. You got these nice design with the red stitching, obviously perforated because of the ventilated seats, and check out the door over here. You got some more leather with the red stitching. You got some silver going on, carbon fiber over here, carbon fiber over here, gloss black, letting you know it's Quattro. They did an amazing job. Every detail is to perfection. If you come over here on top, you do have your interior lights. All you gotta do is touch right on the light. They do turn on and off. And last but not least, let me show you this beautiful sunroof. All right, folks, and there you have it, the beautiful 2023 RS7. Yes, yes, yes. Thank you guys for joining me and checking out this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Again, Angel Diaz at Audi VW in Fall River. Thank you, everybody. Take care.